Hello, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Welcome to Goma At Home. We are preparing roast pork loin for this season. Siyempre, masarap pag kasama mo yung family mo, gumagawa ka nito. What I'm doing is I'm preparing this. Prepare tayo ng dalawa. Kasi what I want to do is I want to prepare it now. And then dadalhin natin dun sa mayor's office ni Lucy. Okay? So what I'll do, first I'll score this. Tam-tam, ang ganda, ang daming fat, oh. Para maluto mabuti yung loob. Yan. Talagang make it deep para yung ibang yung rub natin mamaya. We're going to make a rub for this. Pero ang gagawin natin rub, not the regular rub, no? Gawin natin medyo Christmassy, so mabango dapat. There's cinnamon, may cloves, no? And then we'll glaze it with orange. So very, very in the season yung roast pork natin. Very nice. Oh, yun. And then we will roast this in our oven for about an hour, no? 45 minutes to an hour until we reach a temperature of about 160 to 170. We'll begin with some fresh oregano. Yun. So, may oregano tayo dito. And while you're roasting the pork loin, ito mga to, pwede mo ilagay dun sa oven. So what I'm going to show you also, we're not going to cook this in this oven, maybe pizza oven. I'm going to cook it here in this Weber natin na oven. So pag abot niya ng 300, that's being preheated. Okay na yan. Okay? Out of my rub. Yeah. Okay. So once durog na siya, ilalagay ko siya dito sa container natin. I'll do this one at a time. Okay. So we'll chop our rosemary. Yan, pinuhin natin to. Careful sa kamay. Okay. Tapos yung nasama dito kanina, kunin ko na rin. Lagyan lang dito. Nice. Put it here. Okay. So yan. Pailalagyan na rin. We have black pepper. Yun, dami natin black pepper. Good. Nilalagyan natin ng maraming salt. There you go. So yung savory muna. Yung savory natin na rub ang gagawin natin. And then yung pang-glaze natin mamaya is our marmalade. Yan, marmalade and orange juice. No? Then lagyan natin ng little of paprika. Beautiful, smoky flavor. Of course, cinnamon. Wow, sarap nito. Wow, ito talaga. Paskong Pasko ang amoy. Putalat. Putalat. Yan o. Lumilipad sa electric fan natin. Tingnan ito. Bus na yung kain natin pero yan na, lagyan natin lahat. A little cloves. Yun. Paskong Pasko. Paskong Paskong dating. Yes. Put in lots of salt. Then haluin natin. Good. Kaya natin lagyan ng scoring doon. Lalagyan na sa loob para habang roast siya, yung taste niya, yung smell niya nasa loob pumapasok. So we'll prepare this. Lagyan natin ng Doña Elena extra virgin olive oil. Yan. Ito yung lalagyan natin initially na sa pork natin. Yan. Sarap. Pasok ko siya dyan. Yun. Yan. All the goodness of olive oil. Put it all there. No? Baliktaran. Pati ng side na to. Ito, nakuha ko ito sa regular butcher namin sa market. Normally kasi pinuputol na nila. So, but you just have to tell them that you want this kind of cut. French pa nga nila. Sabi ko, clean the ribs para makita natin nakalabas yung ribs. Sabi ko, French style yan. Okay? Lagyan natin ng rub. The best is kamay na natin. Okay? Like what I said kanina, lagay mo sa ibabaw, and then mamaya sa loob. Okay. Yeah. Cover it there. Yan. Yung tapos lagay mo sa loob, sa mga slices, sa pinutol natin. Siksik mo lang dyan. Para nandyan lahat ng taste niya. Siksik mo lang. Tapos while it's roasting, magdidrip yung fat niya. Pag nagdrip yung fat niya, nako yun, madidistribute na all over yung taste nito. Sarap. Ganda. Nice. Beautiful. Wow. Love this. So yung mga nahulog sa gilid-gilid, lagyan nyo dito. All vegetables are pre-washed already. They've been pre-washed. So, yan. Itong celery natin, putol natin to small pieces. Yan. So, ito yung sasama ko sa second roast natin. Yan. Dito siya. Sa second part ng roasting yan. Yan, some carrots. Carrots, madali lang to. Ganyan, no? No? Okay. Put it here. Ito natin half. Yan. Yung size ng carrots natin. Okay. Okay. When you roast mga onions, you don't have to slice it thinly. So what we'll do is we'll quarter it. Take this out. Quarter. There. So I have my onions, I have my celery, and we have our camote. Alright? But what I'll do, what I want is to make a bed of camote. Tapos mamaya, tanggalin natin camote, yun yung gagawin natin na parang side dish niya. So, I'll put a little olive oil and water. And so para mas lumambot yung kamote instead of really roasting it, no? Okay? So now, lalagay ko na yung pork natin. Yon. Beautiful. Siguro gagawin natin siya there para maluto yung ibabaw niya. Ilalagay ko na dun sa oven natin. Mamaya ko na isasama ulit sa second part. Doon ko nilalagay yung onions natin, yung carrots, saka yung celery. Okay? So we'll do this. Once luto na yung kamote, we'll take this out na i-glaze na natin to. Okay. There you go. On the side. And on the other side. Yun. Then we'll close it. And then okay, so we'll prepare our glaze. First, kailangan lagi may pepper. Pepper's ready. We'll turn on our fire. Okay, and then lagyan ng orange juice. This is what we're going to use. Fresh orange juice coming from this. Okay. Ito yung glaze natin. Let it boil. Meron tayong rosemary dun sa roast natin, pero lalagyan lang natin ulit dito sa glaze. Pinuhin natin to. Ito mas pino dapat to. Sabay tayo magtapos dito. Malapit na kumulo yan. Lagyan ng cinnamon. Wow! Sarap. Lots of cinnamon. Lagyan natin ng cloves. That's a rub. And then, lalagyan natin dito maple syrup and orange marmalade. Okay? So, glaze natin. Nice! There you go. Dami natin orange marmalade. Watch out. Yun. That's our glaze. Sarap! Okay? And then, ilalagay natin yung spices na ginawa natin kanina. Put it all there. Put it all there. So malabnaw siya ngayon, then we will let it boil hanggang sa mag-reduce siya. Yan na. So before you start cleaning yung ano mo, yung Pyrex mo, may natitira pa dito mga spices eh. Yan, ito may salt na yan. Ito, may salt na to. So okay lang. Sama natin dyan. Oh. Use it. Use it. The glaze will always have to be sweet. No, para, yung glaze eh, para makintab siya. Na malapit na to, ang sa reduction natin, what I'll do is I'll add okay, zest of orange. Yun. To intensify the flavor. Yun. Intensify yung flavor niya. Then, lagyan na pa natin ng konting maple syrup. Yep. Sarap. Kakainis. Sarap. So, what we'll do now, I'll get this one ready. Dito natin gagawin yung final cooking natin ng kamote. So, we have sweetened kamote. What I'll do, I'll boil a little orange juice. And so instead of using sugar, I'll use maple syrup. Yan. Okay. So I'll let this boil. Once mag-boil to, kunin natin yung yung ni-roast natin doon. Ililipat ko na yung mga kamote dito, and then itong mga carrots natin, celery, and onions. Yun naman ilalagay natin. Ibabalik until sa final roasting ng pork loin natin. Okay? So we let this boil. Sama-sama lang to. Ito yung second bed ng natin. Second bed ng pork loin natin. Okay? Put the celery here. Yun. And then, lagyan natin ng Doña Elena extra virgin olive oil. Okay? So mamaya, ito na yung sa bed natin para sa second round ng pag-roast natin ng pork loin. Okay? There you go. Nice. Beautiful. So, kumukulo na tong yung syrup natin. No? And then, what we'll do now, kukunin natin tong binibake natin. Beautiful. Ha? Ganda oh. Look at that. Huh? Gagawin lang natin dito. Tatanggalin lang natin muna yung mga kamote natin. Yun. And then, babalik natin siya ulit. Yung veggies natin. Second veggies natin. I'll put it here. Ito yung second bed natin. And talaga, you want to prepare good food, takes time. But put in lots of love in your cooking. Yan. Kukunin ko ngayon to. And here. Yun. So this is not yet fully cooked. Yun. Pero dito, kakainin natin si kamote. Ayan. We put it here. Yun, no? Yes, gagawin natin siyang sweet kamote. We'll continue cooking it. Ayan, multitasking tayo dyan. Okay, just like that. Drip it in there. Yun, no? Let it drip. Yan. Yun. And then, ibabalik natin dun sa oven for final cooking. So at this point, nakita mo, gawa na yung sweet kamote natin. Okay. Bango, oh. No, you can smell the cinnamon, you can smell the cloves, yung orange. Perfect talaga yung combination niya. Sarap. Wow. Go. Good. Nice. Okay. So ito dadalhin natin, and then yung final glaze, I'll glaze it, and then we'll go there to the mayor's office. Okay? Let's go. Woohoo! Look at that. Ganda. Sarap! Okay. Tara! Wow, dagang tao. Bisita lang ko dire. So what I'm serving you is roast pork loin, and then we have a side dish of candied camote, of course cooked in Doña Elena olive oil.
What is life without marmalade?
Yan na. So we'll cut this, okay? Okay. And then this glazed with orange marmalade, no? So we'll cut it here. Pag ganun. See how soft it is. There you go. It's really good, nice. There, that's one. Juicy. Huh?
Thank you for lunch.
Of course. Late lunch, but you know, it's still good. Then, so, if you have your plate, give me your plates. Oh. There's your plate. Thank you. It's your plate. Okay, and then this is perfect with side dish of candied camote. So this is our roasted pork loin. The best for the Christmas season, no? So this is Lucy, our board member Vince, our councilor Karen, our fiscal Ben Pongos, our DLG officer Reddy, and guwapo nato na konsel si Roylan. So thank you so much for joining me right here in Goma At Home. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
Happy holidays!
Happy holidays! Game, kaon!